Hey everyone, my name's Richard from Zappos.com, and this is On the Go City 4.0 from Skechers Performance. Now these have a very breathable upper to keep your feet feeling super cool on the inside once you slide your foot in and lace up. It does have those really cool synthetic 3D printed overlays throughout the top to give you that really nice style. They're incredibly lightweight in their design, so your feet are gonna feel energized just from that alone. It's not gonna tire your feet out by being too heavy. It does have a nearly seamless construction to that upper, which means there's hardly any seams or stitches throughout the top to irritate your foot on the inside, which is always great. Got that Goga Max insole down there, very soft and squishy while still delivering plenty of support. Really thick midsole beneath that and a sturdy outsole down here. It's designed to really help keep you nice and steady while you are walking. So go ahead and lace yours up today. You're gonna love these guys. They're from Skechers Performance.